If you're seeking a fast and reliable way to eliminate junk, look no further than Junk Crushers LLC. We are your go-to solution for dumpster rentals and professional junk removal services in Virginia. Whether you're tackling a small garage cleanout or managing a large construction site, our team is here to assist. We offer a variety of dumpster sizes to accommodate projects of all kinds, from compact options perfect for small residential tasks to larger units designed for extensive commercial projects. Our easy-to-use scheduling system makes renting a dumpster straightforward and hassle-free. We provide quick and efficient service, ensuring your junk is removed safely and responsibly. From household items to construction debris, we leave your space clutter-free. Why wait? Call Junk Crushers LLC today and experience the best dumpster rental service in town. We guarantee prompt delivery and pickup, making your junk removal as stress-free as possible. Let Junk Crushers LLC handle the heavy lifting so you can focus on what truly matters. Contact us today at www.junkcrushersva.com or 757-305-7504 to schedule your dumpster rental and enjoy top-notch service. Junk Crushers LLC. Crushing your junk, one dumpster at a time.